Displaced Dhangars of Mopa have come up with a strange request. They don't want to live in the new concrete houses they have been provided because they are falling. Instead, they prefer to rebuild their houses in Kasarvarne with the wooden material of old houses. This is the kind of confidence our government is building among the poor people.
Even before they entered the new houses, its ceiling started falling and wall developed cracks. As a result, they moved into makeshift houses and cowsheds. Their domesticated animals are kept in makeshift cowsheds, but the JMR, who is building the Mopa airport, has termed it illegal. Some of them are forced to cook, eat and sleep in open. They have bought all the household materials from the old houses to new premises, but due to lack of space, they have kept their belongings outside. Dhangars are just lifted from proposed Mopa airport site and dumped here. The land and houses are not still transferred in their names. A Dhangar Sonu Vitu Warak expresses his grief.
पण कशी तरी एकदा काय ना गव्हर्नमेंटान जमीन ही आमची अशी करपाची आमच्या नावार करपाची फाल्या हय आमकां आधार कांयच ना आमच्याकडे कागद ना पत्र ना काय ना घरा बांदून दिली आमकां हाडून दवरले पण ती घरा तरी फाल्या कोसळ्ळी तरी हाचो जबाबदार कोणच ना ही तुमकां 14 घरां दितू 14 गोठे दितू एक बाय दितू तुमकां नळ दितू रस्तो दितू लायट दितू त्या प्रमाणे ना साठी अजून बांद बाकी सगळा थोडा थोडा केला पण केला कसा घरात पावाची आधी कोसान पडंक सुरू ती आमकां जागा दिली असं आमच्यान म्हणांक जायना जेस्ता कागदपत्र आमचो येत आमच्या हातीत पडात आमचं नाव चढात तेस्ता आम्ही आमची म्हणांक शकतो.
Aam Aadmi Party has come out openly criticizing the government apathy towards the Dhangar community. The party calls it daylight cheating.
आता ह्या धनगर लोकांक फटयले तांणी ते एजिटेशनान आशिल्ले लोकां बरोबर सो तांकां फोडले कित्याक तांचो ग्रूप वीक जावपा खातीर ते एजिटेट करता वीक जातलो सो तांकां प्रॉमिस केली घरां दिता जमीन दिता आज ही घरां दिल्या सब स्टँडर्ड सगळें पडटा फाल्यां तो स्लॅब सुद्दां पडूंक शकता ती जमीन तांच्या नांवार ना ती जमीन आनी कोणाच्या नांवार आसा तो बिचारो ओनर आसा तो वगत रावता ते कितें देवळाची संस्था आसा ते भिवन वगी रावतात कित्याक नाजाल्यार तांचेर आनी कितें आळ हाडीत म्हणून सो हे अंधाधुंदी चल्ल्या ह्या सरकाराची फक्त कशे ना कशे पयशे बोल्सान तांच्या पावपाक जाय.
Our reporter Sandeep Kamulkar in Kasarvarne and Ramesh Naik Raut in Margaon.